Welcome to Bohol, a tropical gem in the central Visayas region of the Philippines. Known for its stunning landscapes, rich marine life, and laid-back island vibes, Bohol is perfect escape for nature lovers and beach seekers. From the unique circular shape of Balicasag Island to the stunning stretch of Virgin Islands Sandbar, each stop had its own vibe. If you're visiting Bohol, an island hopping tour like this one definitely deserves a spot on your itinerary. One of the most beautiful stops in Bohol is the Virgin Island. Its stunning sandbar in the middle of the sea, surrounded by crystal clear water as far as you can see. At low tide, the sand stretches out into a perfect white curve and it honestly feels so unreal. The vibe here is super peaceful, no buildings, no crowds, it's just soft waves and endless views. It's the kind of a place where you can walk barefoot, take in the silence and just enjoy the simplicity of nature. Definitely one of those wow spots that makes the trip of Bohol feel extra special.
Good morning guys, we are here at the Virgin Island and this is our first stop for the day. We started around 7 o'clock. We had some difficulties to get started. The boat got stuck because of the low tide. Then literally we had to push the boat and after some time we were able to get on the boat. And after 10 minutes we have reached Virgin Island. Usually people start with the dolphin watching and then the Balicasag Island and finally they come to Virgin Island. But we wanted to do the other way because we know that usually it gets crowded. So we wanted to come to Virgin Island first because we wanted to have this island for ourselves. And when we came, there was no one. Now we can see a group of people have come after half an hour. But when we came here, literally no one was here and we were able to fly the drone and the shots were amazing. Very peculiar island, peculiar shape, looks beautiful from the top. I think because of the low tide we can see the whole sandbar as of now. I'm not sure if it's going to stay the same after some time. So we are very happy that we have come here as the first stop as part of our Bohol Island hopping tour. By the way, we have taken a private tour. Obviously we didn't want to go with the crowd and waste our time and we are glad that we did that. So we can spend again as much as time as we want in every stop. That's another advantage of taking a private tour. And yeah, literally we can sit here for the whole day and no one is going to even bother us. We do have to pay an entrance fee. Some people will come and collect the entrance fee for Virgin Island. It's 100 pesos per person. Do come here with a drone. It's going to be amazing. And you can spend as much time as you want and you might not even want to leave, who knows. So beautiful island, Virgin Island.
Balicasag Island was another highlight of a Bohol trip. It's a small and a peaceful island that looks almost perfectly circular from above. It's only about 25 hectares, so you can easily walk around and explore the whole place at a relaxed pace. The island is best known for snorkeling and diving thanks to its vibrant coral reefs and marine life just offshore. It's also a popular spot for dolphin watching, especially early in the morning when they're often seen nearby. It's definitely one of the most memorable stops on the island hopping tour and it's a great place to just unwind and enjoy the quiet surroundings.
We have reached Balicasag Island from the Virgin Islands. It took us about 20 to 30 minutes to reach from the Virgin Island to here. Unfortunately, we couldn't see any dolphins. We were too late to go and see the dolphins. It's 9:40 a.m. in the morning right now. and we had to select between Virgin Islands or going and seeing the dolphins. We chose to see the Virgin Islands and spend more time there. We came here, it took us about, like I said, it took us about 20 to 30 minutes. We came to this island. This particular island is actually known for the shape of it. So circular, so lush green. There's a lighthouse, so many trees. You can see blue waters and so many boats parked around, and so many stretches of mountains also all around this island. The beach is shelly, sandy, white. Perfect weather, kind of cloudy, and the water is just so nice and cold. We are gonna spend some time, around 1 or 2 hours here, and then head back to Bohol.
If you're planning a trip, check out our travel guide. It's packed with all the details and even a sample itinerary to help you out. Just scan the QR code on the screen or hit the link in the description below. You can also find the link in the description box or scan the QR code to access the maps. It includes all the places we have visited, making it super easy for you to explore them too.